One of the industry's newest and largest base oil plants is now in operation on the U.S. Gulf Coast. Chevron's Pascagoula Base Oil Plant is the latest milestone in a history of innovation and leadership in premium base oil technology, spanning more than 100 years. Commissioned in 2014, this state-of-the-art plant bridges a global supply network of unparalleled scale and reliability.
As part of our strategy to be the leading premium base oil supplier, we wanted to invest both in production facilities as well as the infrastructure, the storage, and the things you need to be able to supply our customers regardless of where they are.
With global production capacity of nearly 60,000 barrels per day, Chevron is well positioned to serve the growing demand unfolding for premium base oils, the critical component of high-performance lubricants.
When we look down the road, we see economies continuing to grow. We see technology continuing to advance. And as a result of that, we see demand for premium base oil continuing to increase.
Increasingly stringent emissions and fuel economy standards are major drivers of a rising demand trend expected to unfold over the next decade.
Premium base oils are absolutely necessary to formulate the engine oils and other products that OEMs require.
Equipment manufacturers want strong wear control. They want soot handling capability, especially for older engines. Want predictable performance over high and low temperatures and stable formulations to enable extended oil drain intervals.
Located within Chevron's largest worldwide refinery complex in Pascagoula, Mississippi, our new base oil plant known as PBOP can produce up to 25,000 barrels of premium base oil per day. PBOP is an all-hydroprocessing-based plant specifically designed with a high degree of viscosity flexibility.
Our process has the benefit of taking low-quality molecules and upgrading their quality. What that means is we can then use a wider range of feeds and still make the same premium base oils and deliver those base oils to our customers with the same consistency and the same reliability that they come to expect from us.
Let's see how it works using Chevron's patented isocracking and isodewaxing technology to make premium base oil. In the first step, the crude comes into the refinery and you've got to remove by distillation what we call a lube fraction. And that fraction, which is fairly high boiling, goes to the second step, where the isocracking unit upgrades the quality of that fraction using the catalyst. In the third step, it goes to the isodewaxing unit, which changes the structure of the wax in the fraction so that the oil will flow at low temperature. And then in the fourth step, it goes to what we call a hydrofinisher, which improves the stability of the product so that it lasts longer in operation. As a result, our base oil is water crystal clear, with a premium quality that can be used in a variety of applications. Here in the main control room, operators closely monitor the production process, aided by specially designed analyzers that sample and verify product integrity at each step. As always, safe operation is the top priority.
We have safety systems in place in the isodewaxing unit. If the operator actually sees that something's taking place and it's before the computer even takes over, or we can depressure the system and make sure that we stay in a safe posture at all times.
Continuous testing takes place in the plant's laboratory to ensure that exacting specifications of the various grades of base oil are met in full.
We check it every single step of the way, starting at our hydrocracker, and we test the feeds to make sure that they're on test. We test the final tank to make sure it's on test, and as we send it out to our customers, we test rail cars and barges to ensure that they meet the specifications.
PBOP produces 4 viscosity grades of premium base oils covering the range from very light neutral oil to a heavy neutral oil, a range which makes up over 90% of the global lubricant demand today.
The Pascagoula Base Oil Plant is very flexible, and it does have the capability of producing other grades as well. For example, we produced a 110 RLV last year, which is a Group 2 Plus product.
The location of our PBOP plant assures that our base oils can be moved safely and efficiently to our customers.
One of the big reasons it made sense to put PBOP in Pascagoula is because it was easy to integrate into our logistics system. We've been moving product out of Pascagoula on a global scale for over 50 years now, so bringing our base oils into that system was just not a major problem.
Chevron has added a new marine wharf to the existing refinery dock, with handling capability for inland barges up to 25,000 barrels in size, as well as the largest ocean-going tankers. The berth is equipped with dripless risers, a safety mechanism designed to ensure hydrocarbons stay contained. For rail shipments, a new locomotive and tank car loading rack has been added, with the capacity for up to 16 rail car loadings per 24-hour period. Pascagoula is the centerpiece in Chevron's global supply network, encompassing 3 world-class plants and 14 supply hubs. All Chevron premium base oils are ISO 9001 certified, providing a unique global product slate offering.
Chevron goes to great lengths to make sure that the base stocks we make at all 3 of our manufacturing locations conform to a single, well-thought-out specification for each viscosity grade.
So we adjust our reactor performance and our distillation requirements in order to meet these same specifications to ensure the highest quality base oils are produced regardless of location.
This means complexity reduction and formulation savings, as well as exceptional global supply reliability for our customers.
By having a global slate, they're able to buy one base oils for all their plants spread throughout the world and reduce the complexity to substantially less with just one formula in the system and only having to qualify that one product with one base oils.
When one plant goes down, or if there's an issue somewhere around the world, they can rely on us to bring the same quality base oil no matter where we're bringing it from around the world.
Global scale, unmatched reliability, industry-leading technology. Values our base oil customers and partners can count on from Chevron.
At the end of the day, it's all about customer value, and we get there by making sure we have the flexibility and the capability to produce consistent base oil specifications and quality and reliability of supply. And that's a combination of the technology that we use to produce base oils and the network of facilities that we have to produce them across the globe.
So people, they rely on us for not only the quality of our base oil, but for the reliability of our system. And we bring those two things to, frankly, a world where it's not that reliable, and they need to make long-term business plans. And they know that with us, as a supplier, that they can do that.